Well, hey there guys, what's going on? So basically, over the last few weeks, I've had a few questions in regards to doing a high pressure fuel pump on one of these 6.4 Powerstroke engines. Basically directed toward the larger heat shroud. How do I remove the heat shroud? So basically, getting into the pump here, you can see right here, sorry about the shaky video, you've got got the banjo bolt here, okay? This banjo bolt sits right here on the driver's side of the high pressure fuel pump, okay? So basically what you have to do is you remove that first, get the feed line out of the way, then remove the feed line going to the driver's side head there, and basically once you get those two items removed, then you can pull that big heat shroud right out of there. And regarding the up pipe here, you can see the up pipe there. You just kind of lift it up out of the way. But mainly this applies for a truck that is already deleted and that has the revised up pipes on the truck. Another way you could do that without removing the banjo bolt or removing the high pressure fuel line going to the driver's side head, you could go ahead and remove the inner fender liner there. Remove that inner fender liner. Loosen up the three bolts that bolt that passenger side up pipe there to the manifold there. Just loosen that up, and then you can swing that up pipe up out of the way, and you can lift that shroud up too. That's another way to do it. But the first way that I showed you guys, or explained to you guys how to do it, that's probably the easiest way to do it. And it makes doing one of these pumps a lot more easier than having to lift the cab up. So I really appreciate you guys joining me here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.